National Weather Service in Milwaukee Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Walworth County in southeastern Wisconsin, southeastern Rock County in south-central Wisconsin until 4 p.m. At 3:30 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Beloit, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Beloit, Clinton, and Sharon. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is no